So hi, welcome to Alt.Parts, where we're reinventing the car parts search. We're looking at the 2 trillion automotive parts market and enabling it for all the car owners and repair stores.
You already have 200,000 users?
Yes, we do have it. So we launched already in the end of March, and what we saw is that our product became viral. So it's extremely difficult to launch a product which, let's say, no one knows about. But since it covers a really relevant problem, I can also show the video. Since it covers a relevant problem, we already have attracted a lot of community. So it already have a lot of likes. People are discussing, and it's becoming a viral product out there. And
is that your channel or somebody else's posting?
It's our channel, correct. It's our founder's channel, correct.
And so what is it that you're solving?
We're ensuring that people find their parts within seconds and get it in a very good deal. So usually at this moment there's a lot of frustration to find the right fit for the car parts, and you would spend hours in searching for it. So for example, if you go on the street and you see a nice bumper, and you say, oh, I also would like to have that bumper, you would think, okay, you would insert, oh, maybe a bumper, and then you will get a lot of options, and then you wouldn't find the right fit. So what we do, we enable people to find the right parts within the seconds.
How does it work? Is it like AI to analyze the part and find it, or no?
Yeah, of course.
Is it
AI.
really?
Yes, it's a very smart.
So you can just take a photo in the street and you find that part?
It's coming to the take a photo, but at the moment the solution brings forward the link search. So you search for a car parts, for example, for a spoiler, you add link or Alt.Parts / and it becomes search results. And in the bottom, you will find a lot of alternatives which fits you, which are cheaper. So you can choose which part would work for you, and you own then the
and
decision.
All of these can be different websites. So there's
Correct.
AliExpress, Miata,
Correct.
eBay.
Correct.
And how does it work? Does it work really? Like it really matches the exact part is the
yes.
same?
So the filtering mechanism is deeply developed, and then we search not only on the car parts indication, but you go to the number and the more, let's say, model of the car, years of the car, and it goes very deep filtering inside.
And there's one thing that my garage guy in Switzerland,
Yeah.
he said, be careful about fake parts. Is there something like that where you have to make sure that it's not like, I don't know, something made in India or something that should be the same, but it's actually not the same?
So there is a problem like this, and your garage guy is very smart, but we are not a marketplace. So what we do, we support the marketplace which sells, and then we look at the...
You still have to be careful.
Yes, of
if
course.
It looks too cheap to be true, maybe it is something...
Of course. But we enable that people at least can scan through the options and select the right one for themselves.
And is there like any kind of like, when you search for something, it improves your database every time? Or
from the company's perspective,
all your users, 200,000 users, are they improving your website because they use it?
we collect the data of what are the most searched parts, and that improves our accuracy for matching, because we know in which segments we need to improve our algorithms. So it's moving together and being improved for sure.
Can you introduce your guys?
Yes, this is the guys for the parts, right? When we talk about the parts. Here's the founding team, and we are based in Switzerland, but we are internationals, and we come from Lithuania, Romania, half Armenian, and but we're
And what did these guys do, and what do you do?
So this is our CEO. Would you like to introduce themselves as well?
Maybe after, yeah.
And then our creative strategist and our CTO, and I'm commercial.
And here at the Web Summit, what is your plan here with the startup? Are you showing it?
We're raising investment at the moment. We show our product forward. We show what we have done till now, and at the same time, searching for partners who can together improve the product, and we could launch it forward.
What's happening in the community?
It's a separate part, so at this moment you need to go to the Discord. There's a Discord channel where the car enthusiasts come together and they're sharing their car builds. They show how they modify the cars. They share it within the community, and others are commenting as well. And then we also just ask them how much they spent for their parts, and always like, let me check if we can find something cheaper for you as well. This is where the tool comes in.
And sometimes, I guess, maybe some Chinese manufacturers are making very high quality, and some maybe not so good. How to find out what is a good quality and not? People have to figure out themselves.
Well, you should not assume that Chinese people, well, we don't differentiate by country. I think there's, around the world, there are different manufacturers of the parts. But of course, community really helps here as well to differentiate between the trust parties.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.